Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studio, and this is for November 2024 because somehow we're already here and I don't know what happened. That's all I have to say about that. Okay, I have got this gorgeous kit. It is full of nutcrackers and gingerbread men and the sweetest little cars. I mean, I love it. It's so cute. I also have the acrylics kit here. I have got, you guys, this right here, this velvety, like velour, whatever, Frazzles ribbon. It's stunning, but I've got all kinds of ribbons. We have Flair from Scrap and Happy Studio. Oh my word. So I've got this gorgeous kit and I'm gonna bring in a piece of white cardstock because I really want patterns to show. I think I'm gonna grab this piece here with this diagonal and do a really skinny little border and then come in with this gorgeous plaid. How fun is that? I have this photo here and we have a sketch challenge. So let me tell you about this challenge really quickly. Oh my gosh, I just missed my spot. Okay, so let me show you the sketch challenge. So we are to do a grid challenge for the sketch challenge. And let's see, we're gonna play a game of tic-tac-toe, create a grid style pattern of any shape or size, create layers and little bits of happiness to build up on each grid or photo. So I'm gonna go ahead and mat these and bring these pieces to the side, right? Then I think I'm gonna take this piece that is, it's gorgeous. I love this nice, calm neutral. And I'm gonna make squares. A nice little grid of 9 squares, right? Then, oh, but wait, I'm gonna cut out at least 9 of these bulbs and start layering them on the squares. So that's gonna take me quite a while. I also wanna mat this with a scrap of white cardstock and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, at this point, I've got the background all popped down. I don't have my cute little Christmas bulbs or my title or my photo popped down, but I do have this matted on here. And I've got all of my squares and I cut them 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. I really like this calmer background so we can see all of the pretties. I'm going to choose to use this Ho 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 acrylic piece from the acrylic kit because you can see it really well off of this nice neutral. Now my photo only has the white mat on it right now. So let me see. I've been cutting up all of these cute pieces. I love them. So pretty. Let's see. Ooh, I wonder if we should mat it with this, just like that outside piece. I think that would be super pretty. Let's do that. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a nice mat. And then, you guys, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go to this. I mean, we've got all of these pieces. What was I thinking? Ooh. Like if I could bring in, I have pink there, so I could have pink here and here. And originally I was going to decorate each of the squares, but now I have a whole visual triangle thing going. Let's see. And we've got these Flair from Scrap and Happy Studio. And she makes beautiful Flair. Private business, so nice. So we've got Holly Jolly, we've got Merry Christmas, we've got the nutcrackers. I definitely want these nutcrackers and I'm going to keep that pop dot with them. Don't even know where I'm going with it yet, but I know that one will go there. Let's see. This cute little car totally reminds me of my son. He's very into his vehicle and stuff like that. I'm going to use 3. So ho, 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 do, 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 holly jolly. I think, should we do another wordy bit? I think I'm going to bring this present in. Okay. So we've got 3 Flair as well. So I can put that to the side. All right. And then, let's see, we've got our 3 hearts. Guys, then I'm going to start stacking up some of these little treasures. Oh my gosh. Okay, I should get the photo back there before I go too far. But you guys, we can have so much fun. Here's our nutcracker. So cute. He's representing, oh my gosh, look at a little gingerbread person. Oh, wait, we should have the boy and the girl. We have one there. Is there one more? Anyway, I'm going to start piling about the things. That's my whole point. There are things to be piled. We have that little car there. So I'm not going to bring this car. A sweet little bell would be nice. We've got a stocking here. So yeah, clearly I want to use all of these pretty little things. Oh my goodness, a little gift. We've got another ornament, but I have the ornaments that I want on there. Ooh, look at these trees. Okay, so as you see, we're gonna pop all of the things on there. It's gonna be great. It'll be super cute. And then, guys, I'm gonna meet you right back here. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, so I've got all of these pieces tacked down, and I was like, I need a little something else extra, like some sprinkly bits or something. So I saw these sweet little florals and leaves that are part of this pattern, and I think I'm gonna just go ahead and pop them up. And you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead also and hit them with just a little bit of glaze, because that's gonna give me that shiny something I was needing. And then this is going to be done just like that. So guys, I'm gonna have links down below for Color Rush Studio Kit Club, the Facebook group, as well as the shop, so you can subscribe to the kits, all of that good stuff. You guys, look at how cute. Yes, that is exactly what I needed. And then come to the Facebook group, play with this sketch challenge. Let me know what you think. I think it's adorable. And let's see, and then show us what you're doing with these kits. There's so many different ways to approach them. I mean, this one I can go, with wintry stuff. I can go with Christmas stuff, whatever. I mean, this paper here, which I think is actually my favorite one in the collection, which I know it's like this super basic. It's just so versatile. I think that it allows us to go in so many different directions. Anywho, links down below, and I will have a few still shots to follow, guys. I'll pop this up for you so you can see what I am seeing with it. Oh gosh, that's so cute. And once I get that little bit of shine on there, it's gonna show that much more. I mean, guys, look at how cute. And we've got our acrylic piece and the grid and all of that kind of thing. So I did decorate most of the squares, just not all of them. Okay, guys, I'll see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.